that new cupboard, what John's just done to put leads in.
Put dog leads, yeah.
Yeah. I've left 2 leads out. Yeah.
No, you've left 3 out because the harness were on floor.
Yeah, but I'm going to put that on, Bruce, because we're travelling. I always put it on him. But let me show you this, right? Coffee cup there. Water bottle on the floor.
I'm still drinking that.
You know, it's gone cold.
Oh, it's not my fault.
And we've got a wash bag in the shower. Do you know where he puts his dirty washing? Inside of it. Why you pretty bloody bag?
Do you know, whenever I did a cupboard for you to put bloody dog leads in, and I'm telling you now, them dog leads are not going to make that bloody cupboard.
I'll put it back of there, that's
see what I mean?
Fine.
Why are you back at sea when cupboard's there?
I try and keep this place tidy.
Yeah.
You can't still wear from other day.
I'm wearing that.
What?
What
Have you seen dog's leads?
I put all work into doing that cupboard just for dog leads, and you don't even use it.
I'm going to use them. I'm going to take them out. So there. Yeah, it's hard work these days. I try and keep this van really clean and tidy. It's worse than a bloody dog. Look at all this stuff
why
on
is
that.
it, right? Why is it then? Whenever I moan about something you've done, you have to find something that I've done. Look, it's like you're like satisfied now because you've got
I'm
something
always
on me
right, and you're a lot messier than me.
Look at you. Look at you. Look how happy you are. You can't wait to get something back on me. I've only mentioned dog leads. And we've gone on to bloody washing, we've gone on to cook, and it starts.
Well, I know, because
it all starts.
Dog's lead, yeah, but I can think of 10 things
And
wrong.
she'll go on for 10 minutes like this.
I can think of 10.
Here we go. Have you got 10 minutes spare, guys?
No.
Because I swear to God.
To every one thing I do wrong, I can think of 10 things wrong what you do.
I only mentioned bloody dog leads, and 10 minutes later, we've done a character assassination.
You'll think twice now, won't you?
No.
How else?
Still do it.
How else do I never go out of my phone? Get ready.
Yeah, make a cup of coffee because that one's gone cold.
I see. Yeah.
I'm busy.
Well, you need to put it in sync.
I'm busy editing.
You need to
for
put
the subscribers.
John,
so how busy I am.
You need to walk over.
I'm working.
To the kitchen. Walk over and put it in the sink.
Yes, but I'm working.
I can't wash it up because there. It needs to go in the sink.
This is work.
Sat on your ass. That's what I call it.
Do you know if you had a job in an office, so would you say that's not work, or would you say you're going to work? If you were sat in a desk on a computer, you'd say you're going to work, wouldn't you? Well, what's the difference? I'm at work.
Yours is a hobby.
Besides the point.
We hardly get paid for what you're doing.
Besides the point, you could get a job like that and sit down at your computer and think, oh, I really enjoy my job. It's like a hobby, and I get shit wages, but I still come every day because I really enjoy doing it. It's still work.
It's your bloody excuse for me to wait on you. That's what I call it.
Yeah, bloody hell. Are we going? Is it time to go?
Yeah.
Put dog leads away.
All right. And I've got to go to work, have I? Because I've got to do shopping. I don't call it work.
You enjoy going shopping.
Yeah, I do. I love filling up cupboards and everything. And I'm going to get something nice to cook for tea. Yeah, I love cooking as well. But I don't call it work. Anyway. Good morning. Welcome back to our channel, Bertie Bus.
The one and only Not Happy channel.
Yeah, Bruce. Yeah. It's gonna brush in, give him a right good brush, aren't we? He loves it. He's also excited as well because Bodhie Bubble's here. Yeah, he loves being brushed. Do this with him every day because keep his coat lovely. He's got a beautiful coat, ain't you, Bruce? Brush his bum always so he don't get all matted. He's just a bit excited. He will not keep still for me. He thinks he's playtime. Yeah, give him a right good brush, don't we, Brucey? Yeah, brush his little ears and underneath him. And I brush his paws as well. Just so I don't get all nutty and matted up, because he's got an absolutely beautiful coat, haven't you? Because he's a show dog. Beautiful, ain't you? Yeah. Oh!
It's busy.
This is where we are. Camping and Caravan Club. Near Bridlington. It is really busy.
Do your stuff.
Yeah. I love it here. In Bridlington. We've only got 2 nights here, haven't we, John?
2 nights. That's it.
Yeah. Just having a coffee before I make us lovely tea.
What's wrong with your head?
What do you mean?
You've not stopped smiling since we've got here.
What's that?
Yeah.
Ah, because it's next to the seaside.
Like one of them bloody nodding dogs that you get in bloody dashboard.
What do you mean?
That's what you're doing.
I'm not like that. I'm a bit
Oh, you like... I like it here, so you are nice. Nice. Loving it here. That's you.
No.
No.
I just want to show you what I get dogs. I absolutely love these.
Oh, you're going in my new cupboard, Zoe.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Have dog leads fell out of there? No, no dog leads are falling out there.
Look, trick yours. And the stuff with venison that I'm going to give them to doggies. They're about £3 each. There's an offer on at the minute. Pets at Home. You buy
I come having them now.
and you get one free.
How come they're getting...
They're having a little treat, aren't they? Because they've been good boys today. Here you go, Boo Boo. Oh, there you go. Yeah, absolutely love them. Yeah, they keep them quiet for hours. They do honest when they get chewing on. Yeah, really good price, I think they are, because they keep them busy for hours.
That's cost me £6. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
£6?
Yeah, but you
don't even want it. That's a pint of beer. You don't even want it, look.
Yeah, Bodhie's eating it. It keeps them quiet while I'm cooking. I'm just going to crack on with me keto style fish and chips.
It's like that's the tail I could have had, look.
You know what Bruce is like? He don't eat his treat until afterwards. He sits and stares at it for a while. Can you hear Bodhie's crunching his, look. In his face, look. It's nice, isn't it? Oh, lovely that, isn't it, Bodhie Boo?
Should think so for £6.
Shut your Bodhie, it's only a pint of beer. You give up a pint of beer for your dogs. Listen to him crunching at that. I absolutely loves it. Price for a...
Bruce looks right enthralled in that, Zoe.
He will eat it soon, won't you, Brucey? You do love them. He keeps him quiet for ages. Anyway, back to me cooking. I'm going to make us some really healthy keto style fish and chips. Look at these wild caught cod loins. And I'm making it with sweet potato. Sweet potato are really good for you. They've got so many vitamins and minerals in there. And I'm going to make it with a bit of broccoli. So let's get cracking. I've just chopped up my sweet potatoes and peeled them. So all I'm going to do now is put them in the microwave for about 4 minutes just to soften them before I fry them in lovely full fat butter. I've just got my sweet potatoes in microwave just softening, and meanwhile I've just coated my cod in flour and parsley, a bit of salt and pepper in there. And what I'm going to do is dip it in this egg And before you say anything, you're not allowed to flour on keto diet. I know you're not, but I've only put a little bit on, hardly any flour. It's just for egg to stick to fish so I can fry it and it becomes a bit crispy. So let's see how it turns out. I'm just going to fry it now. So I've just cooked my fish cooking nicely in loads of right nice full fat butter. Then I'm going to tip my sweet potatoes in there and just fry them in butter as well. You know, we're living in a van. You just make use with one pan. This is all I do, just chuck everything in this pan to make it a bit easier. So this is Vanlife Keto Style fish and chips. Very healthy it is. So I'm just going to chuck the sweet potato chips in there. There, look, chucked everything in. Just going to give these a quick stir. They're all brown and got a little bit crispy, these sweet potatoes. And I've got my broccoli cooking in microwave. I might cook that in a bit of butter as well. I can't wait for this. I've overdone it with cod actually. Yeah, I've got used 2 packs because I absolutely love it. There you go. It's not really, I'd say chips. It's fish and potatoes. They're going a little bit mushy, but they taste lovely.
Right nice, darling. Right nice.
There you go.
What happened to my chips?
Enjoy. They're but they're just they're turned into potatoes instead. They still taste nice. They're really healthy. That is so many vitamins and nutrients in there. And I cook my broccoli in a bit of butter. Try your fish. Better than bloody fish and chip shop. God, all oil what they cook that in, that is right bad for you. It's so much healthier.
Really nice.
Right good stuff, that is. I'm right proud of that. Really nice.
It's just really nice. Look
Look
at
how
cod.
thick and chunky it is. You don't get that in a fish shop, do you?
Oh, that's lovely, that.
But it's lovely and chunky, isn't it?
Try to taste it out.
Enjoy! Brucey finally eating his chew. I told you he'd like it, John. You don't have to get him through that. I'm looking at you, Brucey. This Bodhie hat is. Yeah. I think these dogs need to earn the keep. Oh wow, what a beautiful sunset. The colour of that. Wow, I don't know if the camera's picking it up properly, but it's absolutely stunning.
Take that out. You're always taking my USB point, you.
John, plug me bloody phone back
my
in.
phone in.
God's sake. John,
You've got your own USB point.
they're not working.
You mean they're not working?
They don't work.
Get out.
Give me
That's
that.
mine. My phone's nearly flat. My phone's nearly flat.
Tough.
Plug
Get
other
your
one.
own bloody lead.
Plug other one in.
Oh.
I've got 2 sockets here. Why won't that go in there? Right, give me the other phone. Oh, that's it. The water's upside down. What's happening?
Oh, this is another thing
Get
that
out.
annoys me.
Out there, middle. It's not.
I don't want bottles of water in my bed.
It's like dealing with a child.
I don't like stuff in my bed.
Why is this bright light on me? Is that better?
Yes.
Hey, Bruce. Bodhie, I mean.
Oh, it's okay. He's alright, buddy.
What are we doing now?
He's okay.
Put telly on. Is it great, this?
Well, it was great
Well,
until you got in bed.
We've got a dog between us.
Good.
That's why I like you so much, Zoe.
Yeah,
I don't have to spend much
good.
time with you. It's great.
It's great. Yeah. No.
That tea, though, were really nice. I've
Is
got to say, it's one of my favourite ones, that one, Zoe.
Yeah. Alright, enjoyed it.
I didn't even see an omelette. There was nothing apart from really thick fish. That fish. Where'd you get it from?
Aldi. I think they're about
Aldi?
Yeah, Aldi. They're about £4 a pack each. I mean, we could have had half amount, but I love it too much. Absolutely, I want a full pack to myself. I do.
Yeah, it was really nice. Like really.
And has it filled you up?
Yeah.
Because you haven't even had a dessert, have you?
No, not tonight.
Just
What's
had
happening?
that, and yeah, anything else because it's filled you up.
What's happening?
And I'll tell you why it's filled you up, because it's
Have you
all
done fidgeting?
it were all good stuff, and it were cooked in butter, and it's that what fills you up. So it stops you from snacking and eating crap.
Yeah, it was nice. I'll have that again.
Yeah, I know, it was one of my favourite dishes, that is.
Yeah.
And I put loads of parsley on it. And
But I like the sweet potatoes as well.
yeah, lovely, aren't they?
Yeah. It's not bad, this keto diet, is it, really?
It's really tasty, isn't it?
Yeah. So, it is nice, that.
And broccoli, I finished it off in pan, cooking it in butter. Every time I steam my veg, I always finish it off in pan, but put butter in it. If anybody's not too keen on the veg, try cooking it, then stirring some butter in and adding onion powder and garlic to it. God, it makes it so nice. If you're not a very big veggie lover, try doing that to it. It makes it tasty.
Right, have some chocolate now then.
No, that's it. Nothing. You can have water.
Can I have a chocolate chip muffin? Oh, I'm getting cravings again, Zoe.
Go to sleep. That's a good way of dieting.
Have
Get
some
to bed early.
have a little bit of dark chocolate.
I suppose so, if you have
Go
to.
get us some.
Not a minute, because we're on camera. And I'll have to get one covered. So you have to turn camera off.
You won't want to see that. No, I'll put that out, Zoe, don't you worry. We're not that sort of channel. It's not an OnlyFans, you know. Bloody hell.
I don't bloody trust you. You've done that before. I'll cut it out. I'll not put that in, and you have. So until you turn that camera off, I ain't getting up.
Yeah, absolutely fine. Don't you worry, love.
I'm worried. You turn it off. I ain't turning that camera off.
Anyway, we'll have a little bit of dark chocolate. Are we having a drink?
Yeah. Night, everybody.
Night, everybody. See you in the morning.
Bye.
Turn camera off, though.
Bloody trust you. Get covered up just in case.